We are going to start our 30-day Mega Living program transformation journey of 30 days from next video onwards. Today's video is all about part 4 of chapter 1, which is the final part. So why this part is important? What is there in this part? In this part, author wants you to keep in your mind some couple of things so that during the program you will not be demotivated, you will not feel discouraged. So these are some important points, these are some important things which author wants you to keep in your mind during this complete program. So what this part is all about, what are the points which author wants you to understand, we will discuss in this video. Book name is Mega Living, written by Robin Sharma. Hello everyone, my name is Trivesh and you are watching my YouTube channel Team Learners. So let's learn. Part 4 name is Excelling with Program and Ignite Your Life. This is the final part of chapter 1. So first author is telling you there are no shortcuts to the success and pleasure you will receive when mega living becomes your habit. Okay. So now author is discussing 2 points with you. First point is follow the program daily. Some exercises designed to slow aging, energy reverse and mental clarity come from an intense study of the habits of yogis living high in the Himalaya mountains of India. Okay, so the strategies which are impacting your and slow aging, energy reverse and mental clarity, those strategies are coming from yogis habits who are living high up in Himalayas. Some exercises are designed on issues such as time management and relationship building. So in this complete program you will find some exercises which will improve your time management skills and relationship building skills. Do not become discouraged if you do not see results on the first day. Studies have shown it takes at least 21 days for results to be visible. By making small daily changes on consistent basis, your enthusiasm will increase as will the visible results. Small victories always lead to large victories. So if you are not able to see any kind of positive result on first day or second day, so do not feel discouraged. It will take time. Research have also shown it takes 21 days time at least to show any habit visible result. Okay, so stay with this program, do follow what are the strategies and exercises are being told to you. Second point is work hard on this mastery program. This is the best chance to reshape your world and become an elite performer in life. Use the success log provided at the end to chart your daily progress, your thoughts, your aspirations, and success. Throughout the day, review the principles and use the strategies provided. So, whatever strategies and exercises are being provided to you, you have to follow those strategies and principles throughout the day. You have to keep all those things in your mind and you have to work hard on this mastery program. So this is the second point. So 2 points are there. First point is follow the program daily and second point is work hard on this mastery program. So there are 2 points. You have to keep in your mind these 2 points so that you will be stick with this program and you will not feel demotivated and discouraged during the complete program of 30 days. So this was all about of part 1 of chapter 1, part 4 of chapter 1. So part 1 is completed today. So if you want to know what is there in this on the first day of transformation journey, what are the exercises which will improve your body, mind and soul, what are the strategies which are being told in this complete journey, do subscribe the channel. If you like this video, please press the like button. I'll be back soon with the details of first day of mega living. Thank you.